Hey people, it's one of my dreams in life, but yeah, I mean, generally adopting a child would be such a beautiful thing to do for yourself, like, really. I mean, uh, I think the child who gets adopted, that child is blessing the home that they are going into. So, this book is called Adopted Miracles by Anamika Mukherjee, and so it's about this sweet Bengali couple. It's called The Story of Our Family, who adopt these little twins from Pondicherry, and about their entire journey. So it's there are these rare books that when you read them, it changes your perspective towards life. So this is one such book. It's called Adopted Miracles, and it is such an amazing book. Try and find it on Amazon. I'm sure it'll be there, but this, I think I found it at a book exhibition. But oh yeah, or maybe Amazon. But I was so glad I read it. It's called Adopted Miracles by Anamika Mukherjee. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.